once a symbol of hope. A car brand that put Japan on the global map. From the roaring engines of the Skyline GTR to the revolutionary Nissan Leaf, one of the first mainstream EVs. Nissan inspired millions. But today, it's crumbling. Factories are shutting down. Thousands are losing their jobs. And a company that once stood tall is now begging for bailouts. What went so horribly wrong? Nissan began its journey in the 1930s, evolving from Datsun into a global powerhouse. By the late 90s, it was struggling until Carlos Ghosn stepped in. Under his leadership, Nissan bounced back with speed, efficiency, and global success. Models like the Altima, Rogue, and the 370Z brought Nissan into millions of homes. And then came the Nissan Leaf, the world's first mass-produced electric vehicle. The future looked electric, literally. Carlos Ghosn wasn't just a CEO. He was a global icon, until he wasn't. In 2018, he was arrested in Japan for financial misconduct. Accused of underreporting income and misusing company assets. He claimed it was a corporate conspiracy. A boardroom coup to remove him. In a dramatic twist, he fled Japan hidden inside a musical instrument case. And escaped to Lebanon. The scandal shook Nissan to its core. Without Ghosn, the company lost its direction, leadership was chaotic, innovation stalled, models aged, quality dropped. In China and the US, Nissan's two biggest markets, sales began to plunge. Even loyal customers started looking elsewhere. In 2024, Nissan reported a staggering £4 billion loss. It was the company's biggest crisis since the early 2000s. The response? Shut down 7 of its 17 factories worldwide, lay off over 20,000 workers, cut production of key models like the affordable Versa, and to stay afloat, begged the UK government for a £1 billion bailout, just to keep its Sunderland plant alive. A brand once leading the EV revolution, now falling behind the very competitors it helped inspire. While Nissan stumbled, others sprinted. Tesla, BYD, Hyundai, they all surged forward. Nissan's edge, gone. Its lineup, outdated. Its reputation, fading fast. Nissan is now trying to refocus. Fewer models, leaner operations, more electric vehicles. But is it too little, too late? The industry is changing fast, and Nissan is no longer leading, it's chasing. This is the fall of Nissan, a reminder that even giants can stumble if they lose their vision, their leaders, and their connection with the people. Will Nissan rise again, or is this the beginning of the end? Only time will tell.